This is a Creality CR-7 3D printer. I've printed this face directly from Cura software. Sometime connection fails and I lose time and PLA. You can see result. So I need to print from SD card. By the way, this fan I had to kick to help it start spinning. So I can't print anything from SD card. This is a SD card which was in the box with printer. It's empty now. I erased all files on it. Now I'm going to generate and save a G-code file on this SD card. File, save G-code. Disk F. It's in progress now. Okay, well done. Clear platform. Let's check that this G-code file is valid. File open from disk F. So now it's opening. Some offset here, but it's not a point, doesn't matter. So you can see the file is valid. Okay, file is valid. I'm going to insert this SD card into the printer. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. No SD card. Init SD card. Nothing happened. No SD card. Nothing. Init SD card. It doesn't work properly. Printer can't detect SD card. I've tried different SD cards, but the result is the same.